Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to read data from encoder by using PLC S7-200 CPU224XP. Okay. Before go to our software, I would like to explain a little bit for encoder connection and PLC connection. Okay, so here is the encoder, yes, and here is the connection encoder that we will connect from this connection to the input of PLC. Okay, so here is the voltage supply for plus, and it is the minus supply encoder, and it is the signal from encoder for A and B, yes, and we will connect to this one, yeah, this terminal. Actually we can connect from plus for positive from this supply, yes. If we supply 220 to PLC, we will got 24 from this terminal, yes, and this is a plus and this is a minus terminal. Okay, and for encoder A and B connection, we can connect to here, yes, I 0.0 and I 0.1. Okay, and if everyone would like to reset the counter, we can connect I 0.2, yeah, for connect. Okay, so it is the connection of encoder and PLC S7-200. Okay, so let's go to set up the parameter, or we can say wizard for high-speed counter to read data from encoder to the PLC. Okay, so let's go. So here I will use step 7 MicroWin version 4 Civic page 9 and WinCC Flexible for create the new project for show the value of the encoder to HMI also. Okay, so first let's open step 7 MicroWin and then go to communication to check communication between our PLC and CPU, yes. Okay, I will connect the connection from PLC to my PC and then go to communication and then click refresh to check the communication between our PLC and PC. Okay, so right now it found one CPU 224XP CN real 0202 and address number 2. Okay, and this is a baud rate 9.6 kilobyte per sec. Okay, so we can click OK, and the second step, let's go to tool, instruction wizard, yes, and go to HCS. Sorry, HSC, it means that high speed counter configuration, yes, and then click next, and here is the counter configuration, yes. Totally there are 6 high speed counter that we can use, yes, and in this time I will use AC0, yes. And for mode there are 13, yeah, modes of high speed counter that we can use. Example, I will if I select mode 0, here is the description of mode 0. Single phase up down counter with internal direction control. No start input, no reset, right? If we use the mode 0, it will use only like this. So if we select mode 1, it's similar to mode 0, right? Mode 3 until mode 12, yes, like this. Power generation, yes. So we can choose the mode that we want and to match with our process that can use, okay. So in this video, I will use mode 4, yeah, single phase up down. It means that I can increase and decrease the value counter with the internal direction control. No start input, but use the reset also, okay. So I will use I 0.2 for reset, yes. If we press the reset button, it will move the value to 0, right? Okay. So right now I will use mode 4, yes, have the reset button and go to next, yes, finish and go to yes, yeah, okay. So here is the automatic generate for us, yeah, and here is the instruction, yeah. To enable this configuration within the program, use 0.1 or an edge trigger instruction to call the subroutine, yes, subroutine 1 from the main program block, okay. Configure AC S0, yeah. So first we need to use the SM 0.1, yes. So SM 0.1 and then move the ASC in it to the main program, right? Because it is the subroutine. So if we would like to enable the subroutine, we need to move, okay, call it to the main program, okay. So let's go to see the configuration. Config AC0 for mode 4, yes, CV, PV, up and down, okay. Enable interrupt start the counter, okay. So I will use the SM 0.0 SM for 0.0 for always on, right? It is the first scan, yeah. If we would like to see the health, we can press F1 to see the health, yes. And we can search SM, yes. You see always on SM 0.0. SM 0.1 is on for first scan only, yes, first scan cycle of PLC only, and it has many SM that we can use, okay. So I will move the bird, right, for counter. So go to move and move the bird from AC0, right? Because instruction here AC0 and mode number 4, right? So I will move the data to VD, example VD 200, yes, like this. And let's check the program, yeah, compile. Error 0, yes. So we can download the program to the PLC, yes. Okay, and then we can online. Okay, so right now I already connected the cable from follow this connection. Yeah, follow this connection to the PLC already. So if I increase or decrease the encoder, yes, okay, right now I will increase the encoder. You see the value of encoder is changed. Yes, let me zoom. Okay, we can zoom. Actually we can zoom, right? Actually we can zoom, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, if I increase or decrease the encoder, yes, you see the value is changed. Yeah, increase and decrease, follow clockwise and anti-clockwise of encoder, yes, direction. So if everyone would like to reset, we can write like this. Example M. So we can remark. We can comment like call subroutine, okay, of high speed counter, yes, and this is read data from encoder, yes, and the network tree we can write reset high speed counter, reset value of high speed counter, okay, like this. And if everyone would like to reset, yes, we can write M 0.0, and then I will let Q 0.0 is turned on, and then we will connect from this output to I 0.2, so it can reset. Okay, so I will download again. Okay, wait a moment for downloading. Yes, okay, finish. So we can increase and decrease the value of encoder, you see. And if we would like to reset, we just write this one to on. Actually we can reset from the HMI, right? I will show how to reset from HMI. So here you see the input is turned on, and then the counter is reset to 0, right? Because I already connected the cable from Q 0.0 to I 0.2. Okay, okay, I start increase and decrease again. Okay, so right now we will create the sample project of HMI for see the data of encoder in the HMI. Okay, so let's go to WinCC Flexible, and then I will use the empty project, yes, and then go to the touchscreen type, yes. Right now I will use 170B in color, yes. Yes, and then go to connection, Connection 1 example encoder HMI, yes, and we will connect to S7-200, right? And I will use the PPI, yes, and then use this port and baud rate, yes, and this address of PLC. So first we can use the tag, yes, create the tag example encoder value, yes, double word, right? So VD 200, right? Let's check again to confirm. Okay, VD 200, yes, and one more for reset, right? Reset counter, okay, or reset encoder. Okay, boolean, right? So boolean m 0.0, right? Okay, read data from encoder, and this is a command reset encoder, right? Okay, so let's go to screen and then we can write text, yes. So read data from encoder using S7-200. Okay, increase a little bit for text. Okay, and then go to center and then go to middle, yes, like this. And I will use the color, right? Sample K blue, and I will use the IO file, yes, for read the data. So it is the output, right? And example like this, yes, so many, and then I will use the counter, yes, this one, decimal, and I will adjust the font, yes, the text format should be center and middle, and then example 16, yes, I will change color to be red, and text color should be green. Okay, okay, like this, and I will create one more button for reset, right? So reset encoder, yes, reset data of encoder, yes. Okay, when I press and release, it will reset the encoder, right? So this one I can copy data from encoder, yes. Actually, if we got the data from encoder, we can take this data to use the program to control the process, right? Okay, so I need to configure the button, right, for reset the encoder. Okay, let's go to the event, right? Go to the release and then go to please set bit, right? Okay, set bit, reset encoder, and if I release it will reset, right? Reset encoder also, yes. So please set and release reset. Okay, I will change the color to be like this. Okay, and font maybe 12 something, yes. Okay, so we can download, yes, to the HMI. Okay, so right now downloading the project of WinCC to the HMI. Yes. Okay, done. So we can online to check, yes. Okay, so right now you see the value of counter is 6 to 6, right? So if I increase the encoder, yes, I will increase the encoder and decrease, yes. Increase the encoder, you see the value of encoder is vary, yes. Decrease and increase, yes. And if I would like to reset the value, I can press this button, yes. You see when I press the Q0.0 is turned on, and then the I0.2 is turned on, and then reset the counter, yes. And if I increase and decrease again, I will got the value again. Okay. So if I would like to reset, I can press reset. So we can reset the counter. Okay. So this is the instruction how to create the sample, read data from encoder by using PLC S7-200 CPU224XP. Okay, and I hope everyone will understand about this video. And if have any question, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. For in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.